Joe and you call a touchy plug and I'm going to share me.
Touchy plug.
Inside out, a touchy first junction. Touchy plug, what you bank it. Baddest MC in your system, I'm trying to let time I say, yeah. My family be, she might be let lunch a chair be, Koni, okay, you're more available. No more, Oja plug.
Oh, okay. Well, I told me MC Tyga. No more family. I guess MC Jimmy touching name. Was starting in Germany. And what inside out tell me, you know, I feel alone.
Well, I never to moment call you and get baddest MC in Tasha and lunch check actually MC Tyga. Tasha event go when I feel a bad pano na MC Tyga MC Tyga no here event like a pap your coach them okay MC Tyga back MC Tyga I'm not just touch plug and when an opportunity to go attach one discussion feel the touch plug sometimes MC no money sometimes will tell me come let them for fun. She can quite be apaya. It's not merely fun like that. Make my profession in I'm making unique and it might be like a testing space then you can do more than and then true for fun alone you call it as a serious occupation.
Oh, okay. That'll be a nice question. But then first no me what I like to I show MC in Anke and like when you get to but then no what you want call mommy or joba be what actually work a fair tafacha ko one down ko afi she be an dream kind like a push station and promote station Kenya here.
Alright. I told you a dream kind test plug. Come tell me test plug at Tommy Hooks collection ni Eko be my MC Tyga dem dey ham shout out. No me friend if it ego ni apush o ka sha eko. Nutumo otunlewa ni dream any kan instruction dream dawa ni and the test nepe no operator allo efe New York gankoko no ka chebu odomo mi.
Oh yeah. Efe ntuni eteshipe. She be an nkebo you me official MC inside out.
Inside out official MC
number 1 MC inside out.
Alright because inside out like mba be several times in go back to be na gashin odomo mi large and no control of crowd and the way ni o control of crowd in agashin o feel in lele. She na kenu tumo ne challenges ko me ni at least kabo as MC no yo be na ekole mo ko le shimbole me pi nkwabo me pi admire no tumo do tun ken challenges ko me won to won wole program.
No chumane challenges pison shona ke most of the time it's okay challenges per club you know on the mission no dey pap because yes ona ke me share nini on the mission mo ko nu da ta fla check afla dan le ka nu no le ko icho afio na gba fio onye onye vibe mi no ni mo ko wa nyi ni ona mi fu na nse mi ne we tro nse mi ne fe ni de be fe okun oyin ke fun because we le no wo fio tomo game of about some was going on okay yes but I will make sure I get down the day will deliver
all right
can crowd then I'm feel okay yeah
we MC Tyga to me no you get like ginger challenges come na sometimes one way system won no ni bi ko me ye wo to emi ekula event come ya no no ale no age MC na for no MC like event FN ya na cho and my MC especially MC say get DJ say ni akanye phone flyer no eko fen ko na consult on before akanye phone flyers ya no
to me nakani empa
those days mean be ya eko fen ko na consult
but then what yana me like shin je na ka o fen o to ma support go ni mo support me ko okay ye no ko no obuo me o atwa me
all right
aka o Tyga ne kenji no ni mi to nke ba fe ne kenji mi no nke ba fe so no te no ke ngbe pi na me tra obodo o hello shin o gbe flyer no
Touching
abage ni koponi
ayo ko no so na ke ata se ko relationship no ke gbogbo yo ke waji wo yin
no aside relationship sani ko ke mo ko free potential sani onu tumo ni bo tumo ko like personal no tumo sani e respect na kan tumo no to na le den
anokwalo wi anoko me ni caution me na kan ya so pa me fa wa ko ke ba tuni at least alert mo mi can small location and fine ko je location fine location alo ba fin ba ni onumi yeah
okay obe no ko to mo challenges ko meto mo ne ken me ka bo ko we going forward taba address ne challenges ne ten to mo ko meto mo o chon ni ka aye pap me ni ekole customer say am complain ekole do we make an even ya no ni MC hype ni MC West ko pon use sometimes gbe ye ntan get ona ni he club to mo ten ma table no get broke man in no club ni black club en get scan ne ne ka we mo jine me ni you ne me sometimes accept of me ni ka bo ko ne ka we mo jine me ke ni bi ni ekole no make like challenges ne ba quite after about address and they can go in for any what kind of problems come here.
Call over steady. Boiling work in crowd and in call meaning then you on again. On again, you on about the
sometimes they
can entertain. Yeah, only
she make call lightly.
In a moon and I can experience in a P, in a feedback a P. But at times a no money. On again, okay, fine. Move on, no, but no, she can show. No, buy. She won't go off any work near so one encourageable. Only the room. She get winner, so anyone you have for like one Chinese and Shavana. Oh, you have for Papa. Oh, you have for Papa. Oh, no, like you have for Papa, no cargo, you have for no club. Yeah, one of you. What, okay, when I call it a tree, just one years on if you for it. Your couple, the challenges, I'm not having a sorry. Oh, no, maybe I can watch ya. Kebo ko wutu e born na.
Yeah. She MC Tyga instead no come crowd controlling na obomode at least me MCSP ni amama obomode she oye particular side communicate a share. Omode bo ye sort e kokra ekotamo ekole jama side o la jama ni itatua ni emotion wa o miss your fame okaje all je na njo ake pele bi efen no le efen onyo ofuto amala la fen ke ka gbe gospel ka gbe efen ni o la ni aha na affiliate the vibe ni your teshin na ge ni bi na no fi on at least ke fi oge pele bi e ko ya reza alo akefobu nto mali you talented awa
no chuma no ga no chuma pi ni bi pi yo mi mo kwa ne ko le tabrate abado mo shepani ayi da bida shi jama ko was there all the time o abiya na mi fe jama akwo mu de onu mi shi jama fe mo e easy. Okay. Ake abambo beat pe ka show ke okay crowd there on your flow. It basic crowd no na le. But then all the time all the same
Jani. O to ake no be talent ni. No money here, no money dey come no. Nto ah ode ni wa go ba fe MC. MC you are doing it for life. Nto mo die no. No more let's come back to business. Nto ake no no what tabi etuntun o ba bi e. Ake me MC Tyga and friends. Ni MC Tyga and friends na no more ni on the event ni Ibano ne di into ni.
Oh, okay, but me the whole motive behind MC Tyga and friends ona ke me kumeni na meche.
All right.
On the mission. Ni me pi na me levi bi ene.
Yeah.
On the mission. Yes. And ni more of our birthday.
All right.
We have birthday.
Oh, MC Tyga and friends I go birthday.
Yeah, birthday. 4th April birthday.
Oh, okay. That day will be on Saturday, right?
Saturday, yes, Saturday.
So this birthday is this year go Saturday.
Yeah, go Saturday.
No go large.
Yeah, go Easter.
Okay. No you ja keshin. Oh share. Onya me fe na mba fit ye inside out. Oni a celebrate MC Tyga.
No pe.
She mo fe wa ba ke ameboto
na kan jo abasana yo wala o esa na be follow ko ba le olodo yi
you be anya me ni ko worship plug on MC Tyga and friends Ibano live here inside out pub on the 4th of April. Yeah, this Saturday no charge about 4 to 3 days ko pe no ni MC Tyga and friends Ibano she no mo ekole mo ko ba so ake na o she kem ko wait mo 17
and 22
okay 22 years birthday na kamina ba fo cake je malo aba swan shikason cake le year ba fo cake o shi cake year ni mo me the expectation ni my expect from bu as an MC of the whole session but like number 1 MC many no expect I am call is I expect from bu
to mbeni I'm le like indisappointing ni ya fe in special day when my make sure I deliver to the max. Na gboro ye surprise artist ko ni e ba pass through she.
Oh, I perform on that night.
No, moko bepe one artist per. Just let pass through. That gboro me to many like big men like in so much check do but then into fe no go to surprise. On the mission. Yeah, only be people on the 4th.
And come go to reservation can be and no free preparation towards that. As in abanya reserve tables.
Oh yeah.
Ko ni ke like ya no tun e ba late ko like a table definitely e ba meet it is it.
Oh yeah. Where table reservations are Jermaine.
All right.
But I think it started from 1.5k upwards.
Okay, 1,500.
1,500 upwards. Yeah.
All right.
Ni ababo no ko find go me ba show you.
Okay. Yeah. You be anyame MC Tyga and friends event ni ba no Saturday ni ba na ke table reservation you available ni it started from 1,500 cedis ni aba 7 no ko find. Ntragashin champagne no fita ni oba attack cabana mi alo eko ni guy ni ko ta security no attack inside hotel be na security they are number 1 priority this security they make sure everybody is safe inside no ke oba back me she ni oba ye wala Like inside out there, be na get me the soul of the city. Alo mi mali. Be no na you wala. Oh, be na MC Tyga, me know you no go after our conversation.
Yes. Yeah. What MC say me be no. Me to my use in the opportunity any advice MC say come.
All right.
Okay, naka 150 cities, 200 cities MCs akpa. On the machine. No, you know ni am naka privilege na me chop mo like no fi na to ni MC ba eba me. 200 cities. 1.5. Be make mba fuel enyi my taflache.
E go le mo am expect I go drive you.
On a problem
like a branded that. So na me like a branded it be brand.
Me to me encourage am me pa me five. Nya okay station ya yin. Cause station wo you know no ni wo mfe me ni ba to mo am fe ko nyeli. When pa me five. Nya okay station ya yin. Wo promote station entertainment wa no country no. Yeah.
See MC Tyga, what been a crowd? Be na water inside out. Think like body official MC inside out. And what we inside out and the few. Inside out try that fear ham and be like inside out of one. What about you? That say she both try that fear ham and be
Okay, onopa you mo na ga say adu ka ngbeji wo.
Yeah man.
You mo PL tru no kuno ko. She kept going to ba. Oba na be ni
because teshife no matter what if no ba akade no be na inside out because be na no fin wo you wala. MC Tyga, and shout out Kumani. What the problem?
Shout out to LP Soma because kenke magician. First of all, ma mbo student shout out. Ninji test plug.
Hey, MC Tyga.
The one who me then chere. Na bo ko kwani na be ko apa 300. Long space station le nyemi.
Yeah man.
Long na kan le we mo ko kwan bi le brother one long Tyga. Long legend from day one. On the machine. Agbono inu wa boy self well nyi ma check boy but then big shout to everybody and my niggas in Teshi to as well. Big shout to everybody for supporting MC Tyga. Yeah.
You be anya menu ko wa Teshi plug no this coming Saturday we fin one rep live inside out. Dress code le worth something to kill. Charlie tulamo mi. We no go not tulamo. Ko be atale papa ko no ba we ba Teshi plug we no fe no ejeme. Ba no ba crop you ko ni bo lo ka do mo mi live. Agbono we Teshi plug we no ko na ke je nto nu papa ko nyen Aquara mineral water no ji nuku nu wo fin wo no bottled water soon baba very soon within 2 to 3 months bottled water Aquara mineral water will come back pap no Teshi kete space station ka gbe fin den je wana Aquara mineral water je me ko ni nya bomode ni nya yawo ne baba Teshi plug